Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today's DIYs are all fruit themed, which is lemons. So let's start with DIY number one. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this beautiful wooden wreath that I got recently from Dollar Tree, and it has already got like 2 pink roses and some nice greenery, and I'm going to replace those roses with this yellow roses that I got a long time back. And since I want to match the lemon theme here, so I'm going with this yellow roses. They're very easy to remove. I just pulled it out and they had those spiky thing where I inserted my yellow roses in there. Now I'm going to paint the wooden part with this white chalk paint, and I gently paint it so I don't disturb the greenery and the roses, and I let it dry. And I'm going to use one of this Dollar Tree calendar which has fresh lemons written on it. I'm going to cut out exactly the circle. Actually, I went with the whole calendar print, and I'm going to stick and then cut. So I just took generous amount of hot glue onto the back of the wreath, and I placed so that the fresh lemons part show exactly in the center. And I also stuck those eucalyptus greenery towards to the top of the wreath, just like that, so the leaves show up clearly and beautifully. And this is how it looks so far. I'm loving it. I also have this lemon themed ribbon, and I created a small bow and I stuck where the handle is, and I'm just taking a little bit of a hot glue and sticking one white flower to give like a lemon flower look there. And this is how it looks after all the decoration is done. Look how beautiful this wreath turned out with the lemon theme. And you can always change the color of the flowers and also the background, and to decorate according to the season. And that's what I'm actually planning to do. And yeah, I'm very happy with this lemon themed sign. I hope you would like it as well. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. This video would be part of Fruit and Bee Open Challenge, and this is hosted by Amanda over 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and Charlene over Crafty Art Shack, and Kay from At Home with Kay. I'm going to leave the links to their crafting channels in my description box, as well as the playlist of all the participants. Please be sure to visit all our channels and watch our videos and give lots of love. So let's move on to DIY number 2, or lemon themed decor. So I'm going to use one of this half circle cake dish I washed and cleaned, and I'm going to repurpose this into a lemon decor. It also looks like a half sliced lemon to me. So I'm going to paint the outside with this white chalk paint. It took 2 coats to get like nice coverage, and after it's dried, I'm going to use this lemon printed tissue paper that I got from Dollar Tree, and I just took 1 layer of it and I used Mod Podge to cover all over it, and I let it dry. And after it is dried, I filled it with plastic shopping bags to give like nice depth, and after that I filled with Spanish moss on top. Now I'm using some of this felt sticker letters, and I'm just sticking fresh on top of the container. I didn't have E, so I went with W, and I just placed it in an angle to read it as E. And I also filled with a lot of lemons and some green leaves and some white flowers to actually give like a nice lemon basket or a container filled with lots of lemons. And this turned out to be such a cute, refreshing lemon decor, and I'm very much happy with this decor, you guys. So please let me know your thoughts on this as well. So let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this kitchen cutting board sign, and I'm just removing the tag, the jute cord, and I'm going to use the back part, and I'm giving like a nice white chalk paint. It took like 2 coats to get like nice coverage, and I'm using this bright yellow acrylic paint, and I took like a tad bit of it, and then I'm going to paint all over this white surface to give like a nice fainty yellow color. These are used nail paint containers, and I painted them with white chalk paint and I let it dry, and I'm going to use those in place of wooden blocks. Then I stuck those nail polish containers to the back of this lemon themed coaster that I got from Pop Shelf, and I also took like generous amount of hot glue to the back of it, and I also stuck one of this wooden piece to the base, and I stuck them all together to this kitchen sign. Now I'm going to fill this with some styrofoam and some plastic bags to give like nice depth, and I filled with lot of yellow flowers, white flowers, some greenery, and I also have like lemon themed ribbon, and I took like a small piece of it and I'm sticking as a tag or a handle, and I'm just trimming the excess to give like a nice decor to hang anywhere, or you can just place it just wherever you want to. And this turned out to be a nice cute lemon themed decor with a lot of lemon flowers. And also I love this cute coaster which has nice watercolor painting look, kind of a coaster, and I'm so happy with the end result, you guys. So please let me know your thoughts. So let's move on to DIY number 4. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this glass coaster from Dollar Tree. I'm removing the glass feet from the back of the coaster, and I'm using this vinyl sheet, and I cut according to the size of the glass coaster. Now I'm using this table cover which has lemon print all over, and I sublimated this offline. I had to press with the iron, and I think it took like half an hour to basically sublimate the design on top of this vinyl, and I'm just removing the excess by sanding it down. Now I'm using one of this glue sticks, actually 4 of them. I painted those glue sticks with white chalk paint, and they will turn as the feet for this razor, and I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue after the paint is dried, and I'm sticking onto the 4 corners of the coaster, and this turned out to be a nice cute riser where you can put a lot of lemon decor, or you can use anything around the kitchen. So this is another cute DIY I'm very much happy with. I never did sublimation, and I tried it for the first time, and this worked out great, you guys. All you have to do is press the iron for a longer time on top of the baking sheet, keeping iron on the highest heat, and please be careful, wear gloves and take necessary steps so you don't burn your hand. And I'm very much happy with the end result, and I wanted to hear your thoughts on this as well. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this DIY, I'm just taking one of this wooden tag sign from Dollar Tree, and I removed the beads, and I painted the beads with white chalk paint. And for the yellow ones, I'm using like tiny beads, and I'm going to paint with the yellow paint. And these are some of the lemon pieces from our previous calendar print. I cut down 2 lemon prints, and then I'm placing to the base of the tag using Mod Podge. I'm just pasting it, and I also rubbed down the Farm Fresh using the rub-on stickers on the top, and I just used sanding stone to remove the excess paper. Now I also applied one layer of Mod Podge on top of it and let it dry. These are the tiny beads that I got from Dollar Tree long back, and I'm painting with the yellow chalk paint, and I'm using like 2 beads in between a white bead, and I just created like a nice garland there, and using yellow and white baker's twine I'm actually creating a tassel. And I also have this beautiful lemon printed ribbon which I'm placing on top of the baker's twine collection, and I'm knotting it down, and I'm actually inserting this garland, beaded garland, through the tassel, and I'm knotting it down. And I'm also going to use tiny decor of a yellow flower to cover the knot there, and also on top of it I'm going to place one white painted bead to finish the look. And this turned out to be nice, refreshing, farm fresh, lemon themed tag sign, and I'm very much happy with it. I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 6. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this lemon wooden piece, and I painted it yellow all over and I let it dry. Now I'm going to stick this piece on top of this yellow flower pot that I got from Dollar Tree recently, and I'm taking one piece of styrofoam from packaging, and I'm sticking with hot glue to the base of the flower pot just like that. And I got this lemon stem from Dollar Tree. I'm actually going to insert through the styrofoam gently, and I'm going to make it look like a lemon tree. And I just filled with plastic bags around it and Spanish moss on the top, and I added some of the green leaves to actually fill the empty spot to give like a nice fuller look to this lemon plant. And I decorated it with some of this leaves and white flowers to finish the look. And this turned out to be a nice cute lemon decor you can place in any corner of the house, maybe around kitchen. And look how cute those lemons are. It looks so real and natural, and Dollar Tree is coming up with so many great items and I love them all. I hope you like this decor. Please let me know your thoughts on this as well. Now the next two are a quick hack, you guys, and this is one of the sign that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm using one of these coasters with the lemon theme on it from a long time I was having in my stash. I just stuck it using hot glue on top of the round, and using this lemon printed ribbon I'm just creating a small bow, and I'm covering the tiny hole there. And I'm also going to put a lot of greenery around the base, and I'm sticking one of the yellow rose in the center of the bow just like that. And I filled with a lot of greenery on the base like I said, and I also attached two of the greenery on either side of the ribbon to finish the look. This is one of the lemon stop sign for having some drinks. It's got like cute verbiage saying drinks please, and I love this. So I hope you would like it as well. Please let me know your thoughts. I'm sure we all have this lemon printed mug. I'm going to decorate this by adding a piece of a styrofoam. Using hot glue I just stuck to the base, and I'm using some of these yellow flowers that I have in my stash, and I'm just inserting onto the styrofoam, and I filled with some greenery as well onto the top. And I'm creating two bows with the white and yellow ribbon. One is with the black polka dots on a white background and white polka dots on a yellow background. I created two bows and I placed on top of each other onto the place where the handle is, and I stuck two of those yellow roses as well to add more glamour to it. And this is one of the cute lemon themed planter. I hope you like it, so let me know your thoughts. If you'd like to connect with me on the social media, these are some of the handles you can use. These are some of the lemon themed decor DIYs that I want to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. I enjoyed absolutely decorating this and making with you. I hope you enjoyed as well. I wanted to hear everything from you, which one is your favorite and which one you would like to recreate, or you want to give any ideas and suggestions. I'm open for all. If you like these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And also, please don't forget to hit on the bell icon for me to get notified whenever I upload videos like this. And I also wanted to take a minute to thank you all for the kindest and sweetest comment that you all gave on the comment section, and that makes me really motivated to make like more videos with different content. Thank you so much for the support and love that you're giving towards my channel, you guys. I really appreciate it and I'm very grateful. Thank you. Now I'm going to let you enjoy the final reveal. Until next time, if you'd like to see some of my videos, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. Like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.